Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. If you want to start a new project, click to the new project button, but if you want to find your old project, click to the project section and just select one. If you want to add text to your video, click to the text icon at the right side of the screen, and you can select different font type and just click to the double tap to edit and just write your text and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.